This conference will now be recorded.
Mr. Atar Singh sir, our principal Dr. Geeta Menon, our vice principal and head of physics department Professor Neelam Kapoor madam, our colleagues, my colleagues from junior college and degree college physics department, my colleagues from RKT college, technical staff, my friends, participants, faculty members, and my students participants. On behalf of Physics Department, RKT College, I welcome all of you for this webinar for guidance for the competitive exams after completing BSc Physics. We have got the participants from across India, around 25 states we have got the participant, right? We can say Kashmir se Kanyakumari tak, and even we have got the participants from abroad, from Argentina, Indonesia, Philippines, and many more countries. So it's our duty to tell something little about our college. Our RKT College is established in 1961 by Seva Sadan Trust. RKT College has got junior college, degree college, and postgraduate courses in commerce, arts, and science. In addition to this, our Seva Sadan Trust runs number of educational institutes. Nera School is having junior college, which is located in the camp number 3, Ulhasnagar. Even our RKT college is situated in the heart of Ulhasnagar 3, Shivaji Chowk. In addition to this, Seva Sadan Trust is running College of Education, D.Ed, B.Ed, and M.Ed for students. We have started unaided courses like BAP, BMS, and so many. I know you are very eager to listen the talk of today. So, without taking much time of yours, I will request our principal madam to say a few words. Over to Dr. Geeta madam.
Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. Good morning to one and all. Hope you all are fine and safe. In this lockdown period, and with the crisis prevailing due to the COVID pandemic all across the globe, we at RKT College of Arts, Science and Commerce, located at Ulhasnagar, state of Maharashtra, decided to hold a webinar for the students to engage and enrich them, titled Guidance for the Preparation of Competitive Exams after BSc Physics. We have amidst us an experienced teacher as resource person, Mr. Athar Singh, an IITN from Roorkee. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome all my dear participants, teacher, parents, students in thousands from across the different states of the country and few from abroad. The objective of this webinar is to address the students' confusion about the path of how to reach the goal or job he or she desires in life. Students, we realize your concern, but please remember one simple thing: drop by drops makes an ocean. Your own efforts, in addition to the inputs from your family, friends, teachers, relatives, may help you to decide the right decision for yourself. The situation is very challenging. Opportunities are many in thousands and hundreds if you decide. Accept only the positive inputs from your friends, relatives. Ignore the negative ones. Do not consider somebody's failure as your failure. Learn from the other's failure and prevent that path which leads to failure. I just request all of my student friends, participants, listen to people, realize your potential, prepare for your goal seriously, very seriously. Repeat if you fail first time. Repeat the test again and again till you reach your goal. Be patient. Take blessings of your parents and your gurus. It's very, very important to be with them and be always with your teachers. My dear friends, the path is very difficult, but not impossible. Hard work is the key to success. but hard work along with the guidance will surely give you an easy path. And when I talk about physics, it has application in all the fields of life. I'm a biology person. Even there, the physics is there, which we call as biophysics. And there are number of opportunities for you where you can actually fulfill your passion for the subject. It's a subject which is abstract, but very good. It's just one simple thing, a logic. Understand the concept of the subject and go ahead in life. You will be successful. I actually thank my department for have organized such a wonderful topic to ease my students and their problems and their parents' problems. And I'm sure the guest for the day, the speaker for the day, will take you through a challenging route, making you feel better at the end of the lecture. I congratulate all for participating in this webinar. I also congratulate my team members who have done this job of organizing the webinar. I welcome all my teacher friends, my colleagues from my college, from other colleges, and those who know me, who don't know me, and the students from all across the globe. Welcome for this webinar and take home a very good lesson from us. Thank you. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much, madam. Now I'll request Neelam Kapoor, madam, to introduce our chief guest today.
Good morning, all. Respected Dr. Geeta Menon, all my colleagues from the department, degree and junior, my colleagues from the college, and all other my friends from physics, as well as participants. Very, very good and warm morning. It's raining and without electricity. So we are trying to conduct. Let us hope everything goes well. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. We decided in the department that we will be conducting a webinar. And at that time, all of us thought that we will go for something which will help our students in the future. And if I think of something which is the best for the student is joining BRC, TIFR, giving GATE exam, IITs, and all this. As we shortlisted the topic, the first person came in mind is Mr. Atar Singh ji. I'm his follower on the Facebook. One fine day, I saw that he has posted certain notes on the Facebook. I just went through the notes and started following him. And 2 years, I've seen him working for his students. Friends, it is best to learn from a person who is expert in it. क्रिकेट खेलना सीखना हो तो उस खिलाड़ी से सीखेंगे जिसने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर खेला हो. मिस्टर अतर सिंह जी ने CSIR JRFE GATE 12th and 19th rank twice in India. The toughest exam for the physics students is just for TIFR and BRC entrance exams. He cleared the IIT Roorkee and joined that for MSc. He also cleared BRC, junior scientist post. He joined there, but then he cleared also PMMC exam as for assistant teacher. I was impressed by him when he left BARC and chose to be a teacher by choice. It's a big thing because getting in such institutes and leaving it for teaching is a very great thing. I admire and respect him for that. And now I call upon Mr. Atar Singh ji to take over and guide us, all the participants, that what are the possible exams and how to clear these exams. Over to Mr. Atar Singh ji. Thank you.
Hello everybody, welcome to all of you. So we are going to start it for the students for MSc entrance exams. So first of all, thanks to RKT College and organizers and uh, principal madam and vice principal madam and all associate staff and all audience. Thank you all of you. So we are going to start here. You are welcome. So good morning everybody, and we are going to start our discussion toward the entrance exams. So we are going to tell you here about the opportunities. Okay? We are going to tell you about the opportunity. But one thing I always, in my opinion, to all students, all students, you can choose any path. You can choose any path. But one thing, remember, always, it depends on your hard work. If your hard work, you have good hard work, then you can achieve any goal in life. So it doesn't matter. You can start in any path, through the any process, through the any way. If you have a good hard work and dedication, then you can achieve that goal. But here I am telling you the about the entrance exams opportunities and all. So we are going to hear so the all things. Okay. So let's hear one thing. Remember here all of you. Actually, there is the audience from the north and south and Mumbai and all our area. So I am trying to use both language for all of you can understand. Okay, and I am talking to you in English, and further I can use both the English and Hindi so all can understand. If there any problem, tell me. I will be go through the English. Okay, mention in the chat box if there any problem. So all of you, we are starting. Okay, it's okay. Then start your. Show me the slide. Okay, show me the slides so we can start. Okay, let's look at your screen. Hello everybody, look at your screen. Are you getting my voice and audio and video both clearly? So I can start. Welcome to all of you. So here we are going to tell you about the opportunities through the entrance exam. So one of my here you can go through the after passing BSc exam. After passing BSc exam, student go through the exams. Student can go through the exams. So here one of the exam, IIT JAM. IIT JAM. Many of students have dreamed to go in IIT. Many students have dreamed to go in IIT after 12th class through the entrance exam JEE. But here we are going through here after the graduation you also can go in IIT. So here one exam, IIT JAM, Indian Institute of Technology, one of the great name and tag for the students. Here exam JAM, joint admission for MSc. So joint admission for MSc means there is a exam conducted by all IITs, combined for all IITs, where you can join. So one exam, after clearing exam, there is the process of counseling and further all. So according to your rank, your distribution will be there. Okay. So here one exam you can follow, that is IIT JAM exam. Through the IIT JAM exam, you can take the admission. You can take the admission in IITs and IGERS, Top Research Institute of India, and IISc Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. You can choose these. Some IITs go through the integrated PhD course also. Integrated PhD course means here a student can select this course for MSc plus PhD work. MSc plus PhD work, which is available for students. Hello everybody. Are you getting? Then here integrated and MSc plus PhD course you can join through and our MSc course also. That is for 2 years. It can be for 5 to 6 years. And here student will get scholarship also. There will be the fellowships through the IITs and research institute for the students. So you can follow this exam, IIT JAM 1 exam. There is one more exam for our TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. It select the students for integrated PhD course. Integrated PhD course. It will provide scholarship through the funded of institute. Through the funded of institute. Self institute will provide the scholarship for you. That is maybe 18,000 per month. 18,000 per month. It will be for here. It will be for 2 year, and then after 2 year MSc completed, then in PhD it will be 28,000 per month for student. So student can handle their financial situations also. You can show the slide here next. Next our exam here, JEST exam, Joint Entrance Screening Test. That is also for integrated PhD and PhD both. Integrated PhD and PhD both students. It will have, there is 29 research institute in India. Jointly they get through the JEST exam. Okay? Is it clear? There is 29 research institute, like some of the name I mention here: SINP, Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics; VECC, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, Kolkata; BRC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center; HBNI, Homi Bhabha National Institute; RRCAT, Raja Raman Cyclotron Advanced Cyclotron and Advanced Accelerator Technology, Indore; and other RRI, Raman Research Institute also, SN Bose Research Institute, and IST, Institute of Statistical. And further there are many institute, IOP, Institute of Physics, Bhubaneswar also. Many institute, IA, Indian Institute of Astrophysics. There are 29 research institute which select through the JEST exam. JEST is Joint Entrance Screening Test. So here student can get admission in any research institute through JEST exam. Through JEST exam, student can get admission in any research institute. It depends on its rank. But one thing required for eligibility of students here in IIT JAM exam, it is required for student here BSc graduation with 55% marks. And for TIFR and JEST exam, it is required for student BSc plus 60% marks required for these research institute. They will provide self-funded scholarship also for the students. So it is better opportunity to choose one of them. There are many research work ongoing for the students here. You can select, students can select here one of the institute and it will get the funded scholarships also. Okay? So students can give through the one of exam. These all exam almost have same syllabus as per your graduation, but their different level of entrance examination. One of the top exam, our TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, it has the topest level. And then our JEST exam, and after that our IIT JAM exam. So these are three top most exams, entrance exam for the students. But after it there are many opportunities for students. However, there are many universities also provide the MSc courses for students, like Delhi University, like JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, BHU, Banaras Hindu University. Many universities also provide SU, Hyderabad Central University, University of Mumbai, Allahabad University, University of Rajasthan. There are many universities also provide MSc courses, but these are the topmost of our India. So many students can go through these institutes, can select and fix your target and start your preparation. you can start, and the almost the syllabus of these all three exam is the same. But this is the target for the student for 2 year for or further integrated PhD. But after it, there are many opportunities for the students. So I am talking to you about the opportunities. If I talk to you about the opportunity after the MSc, one thing is here, it is compulsory for all of you students. That is, students can take the admission. These are the entrance exam. But student always have one query, is that how to get the job and how to build yourself. One thing I always said the students, do not go behind the jobs. Build yourself, build your knowledge, then job will come behind you. Don't go behind the jobs. हिंदी में एक वर्ड कहते हैं, अगर नौकरी की तैयारी करोगे तो नौकर बनोगे. नौकरी की तैयारी करोगे तो नौकर बनोगे. Do not go there. Actually, I also left it to job BRC and assistant professor. So it doesn't matter for you that you go through your job. But there is the opportunities for you all up to start your. So I am telling you the jobs also here, the available for after EMS, MSc. Student can choose these paths. There are different stream for the students, depend on their interest. So build up your interest in the physics. Actually, what is the physics? First point of view, I always say to the students, first point, what is the physics? Physics is way of explaining nature, explaining event of nature. Physics can explain the event of nature, like entropy of universe is going to increase, and that effect is going on now. You can see the corona effect, cyclone, and many others, because entropy of universe is going to increase. So this effect is also comes due to the nature. You can't ignore it. It always, nature loves physics. I always said the students. So do not, if you follow the physics and create your interest, then you can achieve everything in your life. Whatever you want, you can achieve everything. Whatever you want, you can achieve everything. So I am here discussing about your opportunities. Student can go any further foreign research institutes also after entering here. In any IIT, in any research institute, after taking admission, you can go further in any research institute out of India also. There are many facilities, but we also have the facilities. Do not say that India do not have the facilities for physics. I always said the students, if you cannot hard work, then you cannot achieve that point. Many students, many people said to me, India did not get Nobel Prize in physics from a long time. After Sir C.V. Raman, we did not get Nobel Prize in physics. But why the people have the exclude? Always there is a exclude. People give you the exclude. What is the exclude? We do not have the technology. But you are wrong. If we talk about Sir C.V. Raman, they also prepared. Do all of you know Raman effect? They prepared only in 100 rupees setup. And Raman effect comes into the picture. They prepared, all of their experimental setup was prepared almost of wooden. And they did it. So it's not an excuse. Do not say it. If you have the capacity and believe in yourself, then you can go definitely. Do not say the excuse, we do not have the technology. We have. In many fields we have. In India, in condensed matter physics, IISc Bangalore is doing very good work in all over world. IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, they are doing good work. One of example also I said the students, that is University of Delhi University, doing a great work also. So there are many institutes, BRC, Bhabha Atomic Research Institute, they are doing the great job. So it is your opportunity. If you grab, then you should the work. Do not take it as a job. Why students do not get that level in the physics? Because students and the people thought this is our job from 9 to 5. and they spend the time of 8 hours. They can spend 8 hours and they think they can get the Nobel Prize. You are wrong. You need the put hard work. You need put more hard work for to go that such level. And research is the power of every country. Now you can see the effect of corona. Everyone going through the research. So research is the power of every country. So I am telling you the further opportunities for the students here. After, if during the MSc or after MSc, if you qualified CSR NET, if you qualified CSR NET and GRF, then you have the opportunities here. I am describing you. You have the opportunities. Clear? Here, one of opportunity is you can take PhD admission. PhD admission in any institute, of India and further. Yeah, IITs, research institute, universities, anywhere you can take the admission for the PhD. One thing, and there is 28,000 scholarship per month, and after that 35,000 plus HRA. It is for GRF and for SRF it will be 35,000 per month plus included HRA. So it is sufficient to run a family for a student, as I think. It should increase, but a normal family student can run its family financially. There is no issue for the students. They can work and they will get the 35,000 per month. So they can do. They can handle their family situation also and work further also. And they can achieve their dreams. So further, here one more opportunity for all of you, that is college lecturer, or we can say assistant professor. Assistant professor. These are the opportunity for the students. Now after 2021, here for assistant professor of universities, you required PhD. So it is going through this process. If you get the admission for integrated PhD, then you have the better opportunity. You can select it here. It is also a better opportunity for all of you. And further, you also can be do. If you select for the MSc 2 year, then you can get their admission for the PhD also. You can get the admission here after qualifying CSR, GRF and all. Further, we have one more exam during MSc final, that is our GATE exam. And there are many opportunities for students. There are many opportunities for students through the GATE exam. There are many opportunities. One of, you can select for the job in PSUs. PSUs means public sector unit, like ONGC. You will get executive engineer post. That will be first rank gazetted officer post. You can get through the GATE exam. You will be shortlisted for as executive engineer post. In short, you can say Axion. And here ONGC and IPR and there are many more. Here IPR, Institute of Plasma Research, Gandhinagar, and many more PSUs can select you through the GATE exam. And one more opportunity, that is, I always say, that is proud for the students, that is BRC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. That is for great opportunity for student from Mumbai. There is, maybe you have visited once or more. It is all in Anusakti Nagar, Mumbai. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. For scientific officer, here you can select for scientific officer. And for scientific officer, here you can select through the GATE exam. You will be shortlisted for interview. Then final selection is based only on interview. So GATE exam is provide directly to you job through these paths. So if you qualified with good rank in GATE exam, then you can select here for BARC after qualifying interview, but final selection based only on interview. One more opportunity that is going on, जिसके अभी application form running है, that is DRDO. DRDO using also GATE exam. Here it is also for scientific officer post. You can select here on the basis of GATE exam, and GATE exam here you can select for the DRDO scientific officer, and it has 80% weightage of GATE exam, GATE score, and 20% for interview. 20% for interview. That is great opportunity for all students. If students can do great thing in GATE exam, then I have the surety for all of you to select in DRDO as the scientific officer. And DRDO and BARC are proud job for every student of physics. For every student of physics can select here through the GATE exam. So GATE exam is important for all of you. Many students do not follow the GATE exams. They believe if they go through the CSR net and JRF, they can get they get job. But there are only one opportunity for the college lecturer and assistant professor. But in our state governments, in our India, there are many vacancies for assistant professor, but they are not going through the application process. They are not going for students. So they take the time, but it is for every year. There is vacancy every year in BRC and DRDO. In ONGC, that is great for all of students. It is every year. It is every year for all students get this chance to select for the job through the GATE exam. Further, I can discuss you more options. If you have any question here, you can ask in chat box. You can ask here in chat box if you have any problem. Then I can start discussion further. Yes. Yes, Geeta Das, those students who have secured below 55% in graduation, what is the possibility? Geeta Das, if you secured below the 55%, then you cannot go through the IIT JAM exam and through the TFR and JEST exam. And you miss the chance for the BRC exam also and DRDO also. They also required the 60% in the graduation. So you miss the chance. But you can go through the MSc admission in universities. Universities required 50 and 55%. Some university required 50% also. So you can do for the MSc in universities. For IITs and research institute, you are not eligible. IITs and research institute, you are not eligible. Yeah, students are taking in ONGC also, but in less amount. Some students have the question, then ONGC, but in less amount, because that is the work of technical and we are the science students. So ratio of selection in last 3 to 4 years decreases in ONGC because there is a geophysicist post for which students shortlisted in ONGC through the GATE exam, but geophysics person also shortlisted there. So ONGC person are selecting them also. So selection ratio of physics student decreases in last 2 years in ONGC. I accepted it for yes. PSU's required percentage 55%. Yes. PSC. Yeah, you can. I am getting your questions. I am giving the answer to all of you. Listen one by one. There are many questions continuously. So I am giving the answer to you one by one. Here many students have the question. Then in PSU percentage required 55% required in PSU. and ONGC and ISRO. Student have the one question also, what is the process to select in the ISRO? One process you have select in the ISRO is that GATE exam, and other you have to do a small project related to ISRO work, then you can enter in ISRO. Directly there is no option for physics student. However, technical students enter directly, can enter directly. Science students required a small project work related to ISRO, then they can enter in ISRO exams. Is there clear? Any question? DRDO exam. Yeah. How to get the admission in IISc Bangalore? I mentioned if you qualified with good rank in IIT JAM under 100, then you will be called for interview in IISc Bangalore for the admission. Or if you are going for PhD admission, then you can go through the JRF or GATE exam also. GATE exam also. GATE exam ke through you can take the admission in IITs for PhD. JAST exam is for research institutes only. JAST exam is for research institutes only. GATE exam for PhD admission, it is only for IITs. And JRF for all IITs, all universities, all research institutes. So JRF is everything to take the admission in the PhD for all students. Yes, after BSc. Yes, there are the exam I told you. After the BSc exam, you can go through the IIT JAM exam, TFR exam, and the JAST exam. You can go through the no direct exam for DRDO for scientific officer. However, you can go for stipendiary post in DRDO through the BSc level. There are SEPTEM. On the name of SEPTEM, there is a exam SEPTEM. Through you can go for the exam in DRDO. But that is after BSc. If you are going for scientific officer post, then you have to go through the GATE exam. There is no other option. Okay. Other PSUs. Syllabus required. I will explain here about the syllabus also. Very good. How to prepare JRF exam. You cannot enter the ISRO directly. If you are the science student, then you have to a small project, and through the GATE exam you can enter. And about the syllabus, I will mention here if I will explain the syllabus of JRF and the GATE exam and the IIT JAM exam. So I will say one word to you, all of you, in the directly about the syllabus. One thing, IIT JAM syllabus is as same as your graduation syllabus. Complete your graduation syllabus included in IIT JAM, and your complete graduation plus post graduation syllabus completely included in JRF and GATE exam. Graduation plus post graduation syllabus included in JRF and GATE exam, and here in IIT JAM exam included only your graduation syllabus. So further, BSc. After BSc you can go. After BSc you can also go in BRC, but for stipendiary post, not for scientific officer post. You can. Okay. Yes, electrical student can go directly for ISRO directly. Yes. Very good. Strategy I will mention here. NITs also take the admission. Akhilesh, IITs take the admission through the JAM exam. After the IITs, NITs take the admission. ठीक है? Also take the admission on the basis of IIT JAM. I am telling you one more opportunity also here. Is that clear? हाँ भाई, देखिए इधर फर्दर यहाँ हमारे पास देखिए एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करते हैं, और वो अपॉर्चुनिटी है MSc प्लस बीएड. if you are not going to qualify any exam, CSR, JRF, GATE and all, then if you are doing the MSc from a local university and any other college and all, then there is a one more opportunity for all of you. After MSc, you have to require for B.Ed exam, Bachelor of Education. If you did B.Ed course also, then you also have many opportunity in our country. Then one of the here I am going to discuss with you. One, for you all of know KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya, that is selected for PGT exams. PGT exams through the process PGT, post graduation teacher, and NVS Navodaya exam. These are the opportunities for you, that is called PGT, post graduation teacher. In every state separately also, there is a recruitment in every state separately also. And one of the more here, DSSB, Delhi Subroutine Board, that is also for student. These are the opportunity PGT in every state wise exam. And KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Vidyalaya and DSSB, you have these opportunities also. You student can go there also. If you are doing a normal work, then you can go here. If you have the more capacity to build up, to go further, then I always suggest to all of you, go through these process. These are the, if you are doing the work of a particular level, then lower level also included self. As I said, if you are preparing for JRF exam, then you can easily qualify the PGT exam. You have no problem, you can easily qualify if you are preparation for JRF and GATE exam. So you have to go there. If you go through these exam, then you can qualify these exam easily, inbuilt. No need to any other preparation for all of you. These are also the great opportunities for students. One more I am taking you here. One geophysicist through the UPSC. Every year geophysicist selected through the geophysicist through the UPSC recruitment. It is also a good post, that is equivalent to IS for geophysicist through the process of UPSC. Here 3 paper in exam of physics and 1 general, like the UPSC pattern. 1 paper general as per UPSC pattern, and other papers are of physics plus geophysics. Physics plus geophysics syllabus. Is that clear? So physics plus geophysics syllabus included. So they can, here you also have the opportunity to select. One more, if it is required only MSc with 60%. It is required only MSc with 60%. And the further, here one more you have the chance, that is required MSc only with 60% in our Navy teacher. Navy, our Indian Navy teacher post. Indian Navy teacher post. These are the opportunities for all of you. Many of you, many students do not know about these vacancies. In last year, I saw here only 1 student applied for Indian Navy teacher and he shortlisted. From our state Rajasthan, only 1 student applied. Only 1 student for Indian Navy teacher. Many of students do not know about these vacancies. Maybe all other also do not know if Indian Navy also going for teacher recruitment. Many do not know. Many students do not know these opportunities. There are very less amount of competition. If you talking the other field, then there are many competition, but here it is a little amount of competition. You have to build up yourself. You have to. If you have negative confidence, if you depress in yourself, then you can't do anything. If you believe in yourself, then you can do anything. Do not focus on negative thinking. Be positive always. It's matter. I am telling you an experiment. An experiment was performed on a 6-month-old child. The child playing near swimming pool, and many other younger childs are swimming there, and he saw they all are swimming, but even he do not know swimming, but even he do not know that he can sink inside the water. He do not know. So he jump in it and try as the other child, and after few time he can also swim. Minimum 6 month child can swim. Means because he do not know negative point. Because he do not know negative point. If you know the negative points always, then you can't. I always say, because water, people sink inside the water, but water, property of the water, what is? You know the Archimedes principle. You know the Archimedes principle. Water always through the upside. Everybody think through the upside, but he can sink inside. People can sink inside the water. Like Archimedes principle, if we drop a stone inside the water and density of stone is more than water, so it can sink inside the water. Can you understand this point? I will tell you 2 lines, in just 2 lines. Try to understand. It is in Hindi and English both. Try to understand it. I am telling you 2 lines, only 2 lines. Try to understand. पत्थर को उसकी हायर डेंसिटी ने डुबोया. पत्थर को, स्टोन को उसकी हायर डेंसिटी ने डुबोया. पानी में कहां दम था. वाटर, पानी में कहां दम था. You can understand through these 2 lines. पत्थर को उसकी हायर डेंसिटी ने डुबोया, पानी में कहां दम था. Water displaced by पत्थर, water displaced by पत्थर खुद पत्थर के वजन से कम था. Water displaced by पत्थर खुद पत्थर के वजन से कम था. If you have the negative points, then you self sink inside the water. So you have to build up yourself with positivity. Then you can swim. So always, I am giving you one more example. One more example. I am giving you one more example. An elephant bound with a small rope through a tree. He cannot break it. That rope, he cannot break it, but he can break the tree. एलिफेंट उस ट्री को तोड़ सकता है, पेड़ को तोड़ सकता है, बट उस रोप को, रस्सी को नहीं तोड़ सकता. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? कैन यू थिंक? Elephant can break the tree but can't break a small rope because of its negativity. Because of its negativity. Elephant, when it was a child, he tried to break the rope, then he can't. उसको नहीं तोड़ सका, so he considered it that he cannot break it. He cannot break it. He considered it. Or now he is bounded by a small rope because itself considered that he cannot break that rope. That is the consider. Consider. If you think the negative point, then you also cannot break it. So you have to believe in yourself, then you can achieve any path in your life. Any path. Many students I saw they depressed with their preparation, and you should focus only on the knowledge and interest of the physics. Only interest of the physics. Then you can achieve everything. Do not be depressed about yourself. If you have the interest in the physics, physics required to study from the basics. Required to study from the basics. Can you get my point? So I am going to discuss your questions here. Tell me, I can give the answer of your questions. Rajendra Raghuvanshi, nice session, sir. Thank you. Thank you. DRDO and BRC. One thing, remember, students want to know how many vacancies in DRDO and BRC. BRC do not have the fixed vacancies. They shortlisted on the basis of GATE exam and they go through the process of interview. If all students appeared in interview have a great talent of physics, then they can select the all student. If they do not have any one single student have the knowledge, then they will not select, because they have every year process of selection process. Every year they provide the chance for the students. I am telling you the one incident. Before 3 years there was a vacancy in maybe 10 to 15 vacancy in RRCAT for stipendary post. There was 400 students appeared for written exam. Out of them 75 selected for interview, and after the interview they publish the result and they write a single line there with red color: no suitable candidate found. They put all post in reserved. All they did not select any student. They put only a one single line: no suitable candidate found. So you can understand, if you have the quality of physics, you have the great knowledge of physics, then you can select it. I need energy from the audience. Yes. There is, I am getting your questions. One student's question about the astrophysics. There are PRL, Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. One, Delhi University, Department of Astro and Astronuclear Physics. And IIA, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore. These are, and TIFR also. And some work in IIT Bombay also. And one institute in Indore also for astrophysics. So student can go there for the admission. And NITs, if students are going through the IIT JAM exam, then they should go for IITs, not for NITs. If they have less rank than going to NITs, then there are few NITs which are very good for the student for MSc, like one of the NIT Rourkela, MNIT Jaipur, NIT Trichy, Nagpur, Jalandhar. These are good NITs for the student for MSc course. What about radiophysicist? Yes, there is one more vacancy in BRC for radiologist. There is a 1-year diploma course that is called post MSc for student for radiology. So you can select there also. There is also same process, written exam and interview. Percentage matter in BRC. There is a minimum percentage criteria is 60%. After that your percentage do not matter in any institute. These are top level institute. Here your percentage do not matter. Whatever you have above the 60%. do not matter in selection process. Your percentage do not matter in selection process. Mahikwaji, very useful information for students. Thank you. Navy teacher, you can apply directly after the MSc or appearing MSc during MSc final year. You can apply there. There are also vacancy per year. Name some books of GATE. You required the syllabus and the books. The list of books and the syllabus I will provide later to all of you in Telegram group. Okay, I will provide you the list of the good books. So I explain how to get in ISRO. Yes, ONGC can call you up to 250 rank. Up to 250 rank can call you, and BRC can call you in GATE rank up to 100, and DRDO also can call you up to 100. So you are required to make a good rank, then you can select there. Under 100 rank required to qualify there, shortlisted for the interview. That's matter, big matter. If you think that is the very hard work, no, it is not a hard work. You can easily grab a good rank in GATE exam. There are only 13,000 students appear for the exam of GATE per year. Around 13,000, 15,000 students. You can grab easily. One of my students got second rank this exam, GATE exam, second rank. So you can easily grab. So I explain your questions here. You can watch all. Yeah, make sure, bilkul. Definitely we will provide. So definitely we will provide you the good books and other things. And the syllabus, all things in Telegram group. I will provide you, all of you. Definitely we will provide you. So you can ask your problems here. No, Osmania University, I told get through the GATE exam, you can get the admission in only IITs for the PhD. You cannot get in universities. Universities does not consider GATE exam. Universities consider for GRF exam. So you can ask your problems, your doubts in chat box. Microbiology students can go in ISRO, bilkul. They can go. There are many opportunities for after the PhD. There are many. If you are going to good work in the PhD through any research institute, then you will selected in for assistant professor in any university, any other IITs, NITs and research institutes also. And you can go for a postdoc also further. You will get the fellowships also. It depends on you. That is your work considered. Yes, through the GATE exam, IITs provide the fellowship as per same. Through the GATE exam, IITs provide the same scholarship, and through the JEST also provide the same scholarship. These are the same scholarship for GATE exam and JEST exam and GRF for all three exam scholarship. But there are the different organization of provide these. One of organization here CSR and here MHRD provided, and for the JEST institute self provide the scholarships. I told earlier also. IISc for integrated, you can easily qualify. Get the admission in IIT JAM. IIT JAM, you can get the admission through the IIT JAM in IISc Bangalore, or you can get through the JEST exam for integrated PhD. And for PhD, you can go through GRF and GATE exam also. Both. You can. Examination form for all of these will be provided in the month of October and November. All for JEST and TFR application form will come around November and October month. Yes, you can go in IIA through the GATE exam. Yes, there are many questions. Some of them I have already answered. You should watch the session completely. I already answered some of your questions. Yes. Indian Navy teacher is for physics, chemistry and math, not for microbiology. Physics, chemistry, math. Nanophysics, you can take the admission. If you are doing the integrated PhD, then you can apply for GATE exam in your second year. In your second year, you cannot apply for GATE exam in your first year course. It's okay. So your questions are here. For the Navy, application form will become around December or January. Around December or January. So I am here trying to connect all other persons from the Mumbai to discuss about the question answer and other things they want to ask. We will discuss here. So anyone of you have the question here? Yes. Yes. Hello everybody. So all organizers and staff of RKT College will be connected from the Mumbai. So both stream cannot connected together. So I am going to here end the stream and they will catch you. Okay. So I am saying the one thing in the last. I am thankful. It's my pleasure and honor that organizer Seva Sadan Sansthan and RKT College and principal and vice principal and all staff invited for me to discuss these opportunities with the students. We always available for the students for any need. I am very thankful and special thank for vice principal Neelam Kapoor. So they will catch you. Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
After hearing such an informative talk from Atar Singh sir and looking at the chat box, I am sure that student participants have got information what they want. And I think looking at the chat box, they are so extremely happy to hear the talk. Now I will request Sanjay Lala sir to offer vote of thanks to all. Over to Lala sir.
We propose a vote of thanks to the respected management and Seva Sadan Trust Secretary, Mr. Sanjay Dabra sir, our speaker, Atar Singh sir, our college principal, Dr. Geeta Menon, our vice principal, Mrs. Neelam Kapoor, ma'am, vice principal of junior college, Jasprit Kaur ma'am, our teachers, colleagues, and the dear participants. We all thank our entire management of RKT College, which gave us a very beautiful platform to conduct such webinar. We thank our speaker, Atar Singh, which given a beautifully crafted webinar, which introduced and guided us to all the entrance exams in IIT as well as other institutes like BRC. And their patterns after BSc was so nicely discovered and simply explained by him. Thanking our principal ma'am, Dr. Geeta Menon, and vice principal ma'am, Neelam Kapoor ma'am, who gave us a continuous support and backing to the conduct of this webinar. This webinar itself is now become a big moment, a big event, because it was attended by almost 1,600 students which were registered as our participants. the response for this webinar was so overwhelming, and this resulted as a grand success for our webinar. We appreciate and thank all our technical staff, technical team who supported this webinar like anything. Kiran ma'am, Bharat sir, this webinar wouldn't have been possible if you were not there. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.